Crypto CBO here once again. Going to go over KDA, Kadena, pretty briefly with you here. We had a request for this in the group last night, and really, put together this range a couple weeks back as well. Very similar with the remainder of the market. We were sitting around this low just a couple days ago, so I alerted for that if anybody was interested. Otherwise, we're looking to really reclaim this point of control here, right? So for Kadena, for KDA, however you want to, it's safe pronounce that, however. We're looking for, really like a higher time frame claim here, because you see we get some, a couple of candles here and then we just lose it. You probably want to really be looking out for like a 12-hour candle, a daily candle, or even something along this nature, which once again, I bring this up because technically the best area of entry is going to be around the low, right? So depending on what you are doing and how you want to do it, or if you're just paying attention to this in general for a long-term hold, whatever the case may be for you, right? I'm always bringing these ideas up in the sense of obviously the best area is going to be down here. We've gotten that several times. Right now we're a good amount away from that, right? So for me, technically, you'd really want to be looking for the confirmation of continuation would be the claim of the point of control, right? So you get that next support, you start holding it, and then you'd be up and upward and onward. We do have a untapped monthly key level at about $1.84, a weekly level I'm paying attention for. And realistically, these are the only major levels I'm paying attention for personally. It's 4 or 5 areas on the chart. Obviously clearing this weekly level would be pretty big. You'd be getting over the EQ, so middle of the range basically. You'd be over the point of control as well, obviously, and then you'd be targeting these regions right here. Where we are locally, I would imagine we're probably coming into a little golden pocket. Yep, exactly where we are right now. So, that's one of the areas you can kind of pay attention for during a little pullback. Like I said, best area would obviously be down here at the value very low. But coming into these supports is obviously something you may want to consider as well. So we are right there right now, right at the golden pocket. We're right below this 3-month level and right below the point of control. So otherwise, be really looking for something along this nature, right? Where you come up, you reclaim that point of control. You could very well run it straight to this untapped monthly above, right? And then come back to this as support and then start continuing higher from there if you're not comfortable with entering around these regions. But we are near the low. It's down pretty substantially and you are at support right now. So take that for what it's worth in your strategy there. Otherwise, for me, these are the levels I'm looking at in the short term. Break above these areas, and I'll update that as we go. Hope you're all doing well. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon, evening, yada, yada. Until next time, everybody.